Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use DaVinci Resolve for beginners in 2026. So whether you want to edit YouTube videos, cinematic films, gaming content, reels, or professional projects, yeah, DaVinci Resolve is one of the most powerful free video editors available right now. First, download DaVinci Resolve from the official Blackmagic Design website and complete the installation process on your PC or laptop. After installation finishes, launch DaVinci Resolve and create a new project from the Project Manager screen. DaVinci Resolve is divided into different pages like Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. Each section is designed for a specific editing task. Next, add transitions, effects, and animations to make your videos smoother and more engaging. One of DaVinci Resolve's biggest features is color grading. Open the color page to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and cinematic tones. When your edit is complete, open the Deliver page, choose your export settings, and click Render to export the final video. And that's basically how to use DaVinci Resolve for beginners in 2026. With practice and the right editing workflow, you can create smooth and professional-looking videos directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.